guys, June 23rd, 2023. This one here, I got a call for a guy that's got a dishwasher, and he's got a hot water piping going to it, and he's got to change the motor on a dishwasher, and the guy wants to change that to a flex supply, so we can pull out the dishwasher easily without the hot piping in the way. So that's the call I got. And I'm going over there and do what I got to do to get it going for the guy. Okay.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, we're going to put a new shut-off in and take all that hard piping out, I guess. Yeah.
Would this moved out of your way be better? It's on wheels.
It's on wheels. We can
oh, it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it wouldn't hurt, I guess. Wow, they looks like they put this floor in after the dishwasher was in.
I think so.
That might be the issue getting it out. Looks like they cut holes in it around the tile.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah, yeah. When the guy came to look at the dishwasher, it's on some shims, so he thinks it's wiggle room.
All right, hopefully. Yeah, all right, yeah. So it is on shims.
Yeah. But the way the pipe is in front, he was like, hey, we don't touch people's pipes.
Well, that ain't that big of a deal to get that out. I don't know what his problem was.
I think it's just the company policy.
Yeah, maybe. All right, we'll change it. No big deal. I gotta shut the water off, though. No, get your washing machine going. I can hear it. If I shut the water off, there's gonna be no water filling that. You want to shut that off?
Yeah,
Let's just go ahead and shut it off. Yeah.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that, right?
Oh no, he works. He just works.
No, I work in the evening. I'm sorry, I didn't know what you meant. I don't know where the shut off is.
We'll figure it out. It's right here. So you know where it is. See it right here? This is it.
That's just the main water?
That's the main water.
All right.
And there's the meter right there. So is there a bathroom down here?
There is. There's a bathroom in the kitchen.
I just want to open the valve down here so we can let the water out. Right? Let the water out. Yeah, good. We'll let the water out down here so I don't have to deal with it upstairs. You know what I'm saying? Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to just cut that out of there.
Okay, we're leaving.
Alright. See you later.
And, so what's the guy going to put a new dishwasher in for you?
No, he's changing the motor.
Oh, okay.
But he can't get to it without pulling it out.
Yeah. Well, from Stan and Paul's?
A&E.
Oh, I've never heard of them guys.
I guess it's like
A&E?
They belong to Sears.
Oh, okay.
It's like the appliance division of the Sears.
Oh, okay. Nothing wrong with that. Usually around here, Stan and Paul's.
Yeah. We had them come before and...
But your hand traps are all the stuff's missing out of it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, maybe they need another hand trap.
Well, good. Maybe they're supposed to carry it back and kill the whole done.
Crazy.
We'll have to get another one down there.
Yeah, they're empty. They ate all the food.
Good.
We'll just disconnect it and put a new one in there, that's all. No big deal. Not easy. Yeah, I like Round Hill. There's a nice beach there.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, just disconnect the thing. Yeah, nothing wrong with being a teacher.
Huh?
I went for the sleep study, right? I went for this because I was snoring.
Right.
So come to find out, I got that sleep apnea shit, right?
Yeah, me too.
So, I told my doctor and stuff, and well, he's the one that referred me to go. He says, I want you to go see this doctor. He's a specialist, he says. Sleep doctor. I wanted to go see this other guy I work for that does it too. He says, oh no, this guy's better. He's got a degree and everything. So I make an appointment to go see this specialist. I had the sleep study done right over at the place.
Right.
So I go see this guy. He tells me, he says, I can't read the sleep study unless you do mine. And he says, your insurance isn't going to pay for the sleep study. I said, yeah, I just was there all night flipping 30 wires hooked to me. You can't read the flipping sleep study? So I said, I want to go see someone else.
Okay.
Can't read the flipping sleep study. That doesn't seem right, does it?
No, it doesn't.
I might be young, but I mean, I wasn't born yesterday.
Yeah.
I call the doctor says, oh, call my secretary. She'll make an appointment. She'll make an appointment for you. So I called her 3 times in 3 weeks. The sleep study finally calls me after 3 weeks, right, to make an appointment. They said it's September, which is 4 months away to do the sleep study. So I said, holy shit, 4 months. That's a long time to wait, right? Yeah. Here I am gasping for breath at night and choking, right. Waking up, half dying half the time. So I said, I'm gonna get one of them machines and do it myself, right?
Right.
So that's what I did. I went looking on Facebook Marketplace. I found some brand new ones that were never used.
Right.
So I got a couple of them and different masks, and I've been trying it. And so I tell this doctor what I've been doing. He gets all upset with me. He says, "You're not supposed to do that. That's a job for my secretaries to be doing." It's like, guy, I had to wait 4 months to get an appointment. Can you imagine that?
Yeah. I can imagine him getting pretty bent out of shape about it.
4 months. And then the guy can't read the study.
Yeah. Yeah, when I did mine, they had like a home. You go, you pick up the machine, you do it at night, you bring it back home the next day, and that was that.
Well, I could have did that one, or they said I'm better off to go in because it's more accurate. From what they were saying, I don't know. I don't know, what would you do? Would you go see someone else when the guy said they can't read the sleep study?
Yeah, that doesn't sound right to me. Like,
See another doctor.
sounds like he just wants his guy. He wants his chance to build the insurance.
And his son had a place in Fall River. Well, the old man got the shakes, got old, and had to retire, so the kid was trying to run both places.
Right.
So that was fine. I mean, I was making appointments and going. Then they sent out a text thing that all the appointments have been canceled due to low staffing and stuff. That's been like about a month ago. I said, I gotta get another dentist. Right? They're calling me and my appointments, they're there on Friday, one day, and want me to go in there. I said, I'm going to go somewhere else. But nuts. It ain't rocket science. I mean, I could find another dentist, right?
There's plenty of them, right?
Yeah. Well, the guy's only there one day a week. I mean, what happens if I have an emergency?
Yeah. That's what I was just thinking. It's like, you don't know what your availability is or when you're going to need them.
I mean, if I break a tooth or something, I can't wait like one Friday a month he's over there or some shit.
Yeah,
ridiculous.
Or you got to truck all the way to Fall River to the other location.
I mean, I don't blame the old man. He got old and he you know, he started getting the flipping shakes. So I said, oh, that's not good. Oh, got the flipping Parkinson's, you know, and you can't do that as a dentist.
Yeah.
No?
It gets to a point that you gotta.
Yeah, hang it up.
Step in.
All right. Well, this is no big deal. I mean, I'm not even able to shove all this shit inside there. Get a little better. Nutty as squirrel shit. Alright, we just have to plug it in and it'll be alright. I'm just gonna turn the water back on and we'll be good. Just want to make sure I don't have no flipping flood. All right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Yeah, it looks fine. No leaks. Well, that sub thing was kind of crazy, huh? Them guys
Yeah, right?
in the sub.
Man.
They must have ran into something down there. I mean,
That's a lot of, I mean, you know, water pressure. Man, that's a lot of pressure.
a lot of pressure down 2 miles, they said, or some shit.
I mean, that's so much weight pushing in on you.
You know what it is? There's
thing
there's drafts and shit down there. So could have happened is they might have got pushed along. There's only little motors on that thing, right?
Yeah.
And I think it's only electric or battery operated or some shit they were saying. I don't know. So they probably hit the boat or ran into the boat or something like that, or maybe.
Yeah, I mean, it wouldn't take much to have a catastrophic failure with that pressure.
Yeah. So I mean,
Yeah,
if the thing's bumping into something, right?
Yeah, forget
And you
it.
got all that pressure, boom. Catastrophic failure. That doesn't sound good.
Right.
Does not sound good. When is he coming? Soon?
He's coming on the 26th, on Monday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can just wrap it up there.
Look at this. He's gonna take it apart anyway, right?
Yeah. It's about,
Something. I mean, they gotta have somebody I can go to.
right.
Yeah, I realize the guy's, retired or whatever. I have no problem with that. But. So that's it right there.